Welcome to my channel Numismatic Coins. Hello friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy today. I will tell you about 1975 USA dime, a pocket change miracle worth millions. Asterisk. Greetings, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of numismatics to unravel the fascinating story behind the 1975 USA dime. What if I told you that within the realm of pocket change, there's a dime worth millions? Stick around as we explore the secrets and hidden value of the 1975 USA dime. Before you dismiss that dime in your pocket, let's take a closer look at the 1975 dime. Despite its small size, this coin might be hiding extraordinary value, and we're here to uncover why. Historical context. In 1975, the United States Mint produced a significant number of dimes. However, what makes some of these coins exceptionally valuable isn't just their age, it's the unique characteristics that set them apart. Rarity. What contributes to the rarity of the 1975 dime? We're talking about minting errors, double dies, or other anomalies that occur during production. These variations turn an ordinary dime into a sought-after gem. The world of coin collecting. Expert interview. To shed light on this, we spoke with numismatic experts who shared insights into why collectors are willing to pay top dollar for certain 1975 dimes. The 1975 dime can be worth significantly more if it exhibits errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or other unique variations. These features add rarity and value, making them highly desirable among collectors. Valuable variations. Let's take a look at some examples. This 1975 dime with a double die error, a recently sold at auction for mention the amount, turning it into a small fortune for its owner. Collector testimonials. We also reached out to passionate collectors who shared their stories of finding valuable coins in everyday circulation. It turns out that sometimes a closer look can reveal hidden treasures in your pocket change. Identify valuable coins. If you're eager to join the hunt for hidden treasures, keep an eye out for subtle differences in the coin's details. Consult with experts. Use magnification tools. And stay informed about recent sales to gauge the potential value of your discovery. Conclusion. So, the next time you come across a 1975 USA dime, remember, it might be more than just 10 cents, it could be a hidden gem worth millions. Happy hunting. And may you uncover your own numismatic fortune. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting.
To watch more, subscribe.